This is balancing stick pose, Tuladandasana. It builds a lot of strength in the cardiovascular system, requires a lot of effort stretching the spine from the beginning. Inhale, bring your arms overhead. Interlace the fingers, release the index finger. Nice and tall and straight stick, squeezing the biceps into the skull. Step forward on the right leg. Lock the right leg again, straight and strong, kneecap lifted. Inhale, lengthen your stick, belly in, and on the exhale, hinge down on the right hip, coming down until everything is flat like a tabletop. T formation like a tabletop. Trying to keep the left hip down, that's tricky. Use your core, the front core, a whole core working here, but pull that belly in and up. Melt the heart down, lift the arms up, look forward, and then stretch in two directions. Back toes are pointed, index fingers stretching forward. Stretch one more time, body down, leg up, and release. Inhale and come up. And exhale, arms down. You should feel the heart pumping here. Again, really good for the whole body, especially the cardiovascular system.